Hello everyone. So today I will just share with you what I'm up to. Actually, I'm up to upgrade a little bit my cable stripping machine because of I get this thick wire over there. Last time I do it like cutting into smaller pieces, like 1 meter or so, and then just go through my machine over there with the biggest gauge in here. But as you can see, there's like just pulley to turn around, so I just want to make some upgrade, get rid of this. I have found some engine with the gear, then I get this frequency inverter, I believe it's called like this. Anyway, so this I will steer my engine. This wheel I will mount somehow, yeah, in here. Got this tiny chain, and on that way I just like step less the speed, how fast it runs. Anyway, that's the plan. So yeah, even though with the pulleys this machine is able to get all of this size of cables, that's okay, but with the thicker one it's quite heavy to turn. With the smaller one, no problem at all, easy job. Anyway, I got the second one. This I actually built myself some time ago, and actually this one was only dedicated to such a installation cables like this. When I get this wire with like many tiny wire inside, or even though like this one has issues, or such one, there should be some stripped edge, I mean these tiny thin wires. It doesn't run so well, but actually there is like just two round piece of metal on bearings, and here I actually just scratch it because instead of making some engine or something, I drop it into my latte machine and just trying out if it works or not. And it was actually dedicated for 1.5 millimeters cable and 2.5 millimeters, plus third one is only to take away this outer isolation. Yeah, so first of all I need to go through the first hole with whole cable like this, take it out from the other side, dig out these wires, and then go with the second one. Actually the way it works, it just squeeze them together, because exactly this gap between, it's like 1.2 millimeters at smaller one and like 2.2 millimeters. Self wire has 1.5 or 2.5 millimeters. So that was my idea to make it. Later on I just begin to look at the internet about people's projects and what they do to strip the cables, and I find this one. As I say, it's okay, easy to work by these small gauges, but with the big one it's quite hard to pull by hand. That's why I come out with this idea with the engine. And yeah, actually I find out this one worked pretty well even on these tiny cables. So that's the plan for now. As I get like overbuilt a little bit with the cables, because I have, as you can see, they're laying some, all those tiny pieces. This will go directly to the back and I will not strip it. This is gonna to be stripped. And yeah, there is laying some as well, like big box over there. I even got some pile laying in front of my workshop, so need to get rid of it, clean it up. The spring coming, so will be good to get rid of it. And probably in many other places I still have some cable hided. Yeah, like there is one box, but actually, yeah, this is those drill bits I cleaned last time, but I got tiny problem because I cannot reach my machine over there. I just need to clear up this area so I can somehow fit this wheel or make something. Anyway, that's the plan for now. I believe I got everything I need to make it work. All this stuff come from scrap. Yeah, same as this. It was some kind of transporting machine from battery house. And yeah, I believe will be strong enough to pull it. Yeah, again, that one I just built myself long time ago. It was working, but later on, after I looked through the internet, I just find very similar things. And yeah, so that will be it for now, guys. I will play with all those stuff, and yeah, see you next one. Take care, bye.